This drum key lets us know the assignments of the lines and spaces in the staff, telling us which drum or cymbal to hit. You can gather by looking at the key that the drums usually use the regular dark colored in note heads and the cymbals have the X for the note head. Since all drum sets are slightly different, this is not completely standardized, but what we see here is commonly used. If you have a complex drum transcription played on a large drum set, there might be many more tom and cymbal designations. Next, we have the 4/4 time signature. The top number of the time signature tells us how many beats are in the measure, and the bottom number tells us what type of note gets one beat. So here we have 4 beats to the measure, with a quarter note getting 1 beat. This is also known as common time because it's the most commonly used time signature. Speaking of notes, here's our first type of note in this book, quarter notes. And like we just discussed in talking about the time signature, these notes get 1 count in 4/4 time. So when we look at this and count, we would count 1, 2, 3, 4. The counting is written above the line. The bracketed double lines with the 2 dots are repeat signs. Technically, it means to play the whole line again, but for our purposes, learning drums, we'll be repeating the exercise many times. Repetition is a big part of drumming. Below the staff, we have the sticking. Without that element, this whole page is exactly the same. We're just playing quarter notes the whole way through, so we need the stickings letting us know which hand to play for variety and for practice.